Good morning, Eastview Wolves. How are you today? Me too. I'm doing pretty good. New normal, uh, but still liking that we're actually doing something and starting to get our lives moving again with all this coronavirus stuff. So, welcome back. Glad to have you back. We're going to start with a couple updates as you're looking at the agenda. Um, First one, and guys, this is going for almost all your classes. I'm the technology coach for the building, and I'm getting feedback that you guys are clicking the share button to turn stuff in. You're not going to get credit for anything when you click share. We don't use that. And I don't think any teacher in the building uses that as a means of turn-in. So you may have been marked absent yesterday if you clicked share, because we don't do that. So you need to follow the instructions for each one. And that's how you get credit. Okay, so we will either turn them in, or we're also going to use screencasts, and we're also going to do screenshots. Like today, if you look at item number 3, you're going to learn how to do a screenshot on your Chromebook, and then that's what you'll turn in. So we need to pay attention in all of your classes on this issue. So, secondly, make sure on your QOD you're numbering each one. Like today, I believe there's 3 things. Make sure you number those. And again, the QOD is used for attendance. Let's see, so you'll do your QOD. You're going to learn how to do a screenshot today. It's actually going to have you take a picture of your intro slide, and it just wants your picture one. So we're not doing the slide where you put your name and all that stuff. No, you are just doing the one that has your pictures. Mine needs a little work. You can see I have some white space here. I shouldn't have had that, but anyway, that's what you're going to screenshot today. There's directions. When you do the essential tools, I got a nice little step-by-step in there with a video on how to do that. Today, you're also going to do our day 2 project, which is Google Drawings, which I'll give you more of in just a moment. You're doing, and honestly, guys, I'm starting out super easy. So there's going to be 3 of these drawings we're going to do. They should be easy. You're learning how to do line shapes, layers, all stuff you're going to use next week when we switch to a much more challenging program than Google Drawings, where we're eventually going to learn how to do graphic design. We're going to learn photo editing and all kinds of cool stuff. You guys are really going to like what we're able to do, but we're going to start with the basics of design, and this is what we'll do for the next couple days. I thought it'd be a nice, easy transition for you guys. So today's, it's telling you, don't submit yet. We're going to package up all 3 of our drawing creations, and then we're going to do something with those. Your exit slip is where you're going to turn in your screenshot today. So let me show you a couple things in the Google Classroom to make sure we're on the same page. So first thing is, remember the daily agenda is right here. You can click on this and you have access to the exact same things that I'm showing you right now. So that's important. Second thing, our question of the day will be posted in just a minute. Just 3, your feedback. So here's the essential tools. And here's this screenshot where you'll be able to go in. There's the 4 steps, and here's the 1-minute video that walks you through how to do it. It gives you a few different ways, so it should be pretty basic. Today's will be posted. Here's the Google drawing for the smiley face. There's the 1 video. Again, it is, it's a little more basic than I care for, but it is valuable, and the techniques will help you. So finally, how do we get to the drawings? I go in here, I click New, and I click More, and here is Google Drawings. And once I click Google Drawings, everything I need is right here. And you can see I have line tools that you'll learn in the videos. You have all the shape tools that you'll learn. There are ways to format as you create. So you'll learn all that in the video, but that's how we get to Google Drawings. You will not be turning it in. You will not be sharing it today. However, we will do something with these for a grade in the class. Let's see. So then lastly, our exit is the screenshot, and this it says turn in your screenshot of your Google Slides pic you made on day 1, which is exactly what I showed you. This one for me. And you turned it in right here. Okay, so that is the game plan for today. Shouldn't be terribly difficult, but I do wish you guys good luck. And again, welcome back. Have a great day.